south of Puertecitos, the road became very rocky and treacherous. Large rocks, kind of like a Forest Service road in the United States. Really rough, maybe 5 miles an hour.
Look at this semi driving this road. That is nuts. Can you believe that? Wow. Oh, I wouldn't want to do that, would you, honey? Military checkpoint. Doesn't look like anybody's here today. So. We stopped for gas one last time, and then we made it into Papa Fernandez for the night. Okay, after I make the little meat mix to stuff this with, I take the jalapenos and split them. As you can see, take the seeds out here, and then split them, and then I boil them in sugar water. It's supposed to take the heat out of them, so that's what I'm doing. And then to make the meat mixture, I use Hamburger tomatoes here. You can use the bigger tomatoes if you like. Smaller tomatoes are sweeter. But I'd use several of those. Onions, and then I have cilantro, and then I put a little bit of cumin in there, and salt and pepper, as you can see. So I heat that up and simmer it. Oh, and raisins. I already cooked them, so I don't have a view of the raisins. That makes it kind of a sweeter. And then I also cut up some jalapenos in it, and then that makes the meat mixture. And once the meat's cooked up, it's like mushy in there. So you want to kind of simmer it down to like a paste. Well, not really a paste, but where it's just kind of mushy and the hamburger's all small and stuff. And then once that's cooked down, once you got the meat here all mushed up and your jalapenos are ready, they're kind of hot, and then you just stuff them with the meat here. And I kind of guess I don't really have measurements, so I'll put the recipe underneath if you would like it, and you can make it as big as little as you want. So I don't really measure, I just throw stuff together, so I'll just give you the ingredients, and if you cook a lot you understand. So I'll have to have Mark test one of these out. And there's the finished product, and Mark already ate one.
They burn. Ooh.
They're a little hot, Mark? Are they good? Mm-hmm. Just hot. Your face is turning red.
Well, they're hot.
Want another one?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And Miss Becky's going to try one. Okay. Some are hot, some aren't, I guess. There we go. Now, see what Ben thinks.
Good flavor.
Yeah. See, not too hot, Mark.
Maybe I'm a wuss.
No, poor Mark got a hot one.
Oh, boy.
Your face is still red.
My mouth is still burning.
We're at Papa Fernandez last night. Met some fun people here. Very nice. Some fishermen, a couple from Germany. It was a very nice night. Ben made some awesome hamburgers last night. Very good. And this is our view this morning. It's beautiful. Nice, still morning. It's beautiful out here. Just camped out here. I think we're gonna head out across the mountains today. Those are friends Ben and Rebecca. Everything's going good. It's been a nice adventure. So, there's a lot more to come. enjoy the ride. Okay, we're headed out of Papa Fernandez. The German couple we met's going to join us, so we got 3 in our little caravan now, so it should be fun. I think we're heading across the mountains now.
I don't know.
So we're on our way. This camera's doing pretty darn good considering how bumpy this road is. My gosh. This will be a fun 20 miles.
Rosalillita was planned to be a boat harbor where they would literally take boats out of the water and ship them overland over to Baja de Los Angeles, and there's still a little bit of infrastructure that's in place. It's rather new that you can see where they built boat ramps and have a boat hoist and all of that, but they never completed the road to the other side.
Morning, Jake. You like your ocean view today? Yeah, he likes watching the ocean.
So this is Rosalillita Beach, which is a small fishing village that also serves as a surfer's beach on the Pacific side. Not too bad for an overnight